Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernando from Computer Liquidation. This is my first video for YouTube. Check it out. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to repair errors srtrail.txt 428 and 225. Obviously 0xc000. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. You probably tried already a bunch of the commands and didn't work and you're going insane. Yeah, well, this is going to help you out a lot. Okay, I hope it works for you. First, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're trying to make our channel bigger, so we're going to be bringing up a lot more repairs and a lot more situations for you with customers, and I hope it works for you and in the future. Anyways, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have your hard drive extracted from your computer. This is a desktop hard drive, it's quite heavy. And then you have your laptop hard drive from your laptop, or your solid state drive, which could be in your desktop or your laptop. If you have one of these, good for you, this is fast. Anyways, the first thing you need is to make a USB. Okay, so we're gonna plug it into my laptop because you need a computer that actually works to make your old hard drive work again. So you need to find another computer that has the Windows already working. It doesn't matter what Windows, it just matters that it works. Well, I wouldn't try it on XP. Anyway, mine is Windows 7. So the first thing that I'm going to do is have this in an adapter and plug it in and make it USB. Ooh, okay, there we go. Make it USB. And we're going to plug it into the computer, and I'm going to be showing you that right now. Okay. So what we're going to do is grab the hard drive that I just showed you, or you can grab any of these hard drives, and you're going to plug it USB into the computer, and it should pop up in the computer right now. There. My computer is Windows 7, so I still love Windows 7. I know it's going to go to commission, but I'm going to keep it until I can. So Computer Liquidation is the store where I work. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, so here is the errors that usually appear. srtrail. You have this error 0xc0000428, and this one that is 0xc0000225, or similar, that are boot errors that give you the blue screen of death right before you try to go into Windows, or sometimes they show up immediately. So I just had this up here so you can take a look on how they look. So, all right, close this one. This is our site, so just in case you want to give us a call or send us a computer for repair, please bring us up. Anyway, we're gonna go to computer, and then you see the hard drives that are here. This is my hard drive. Obviously it's kind of full already, and this is the reserve hard drive from the secondary, from this hard drive that we have here. And we have that's the main Windows. That's where the Windows is on that solid state drive. So we're gonna go into this hard drive, and then second step is we're gonna go into Windows. We're going to go into System 32. And then we're going to go into config. And then you see that it says rec back. Rec back is a reserve for your boot system. So this is what dictates the startup of your system. Default, SAM, all this stuff. The only thing you're going to do is go ahead and copy this. Copy it. That's all you're going to do. You go back into config. You see where it is in config. And you see you're going to replace this ones, because these ones have problems. This one says that what's not working when you tried your commands and it doesn't work. So you're going to go and paste here. Obviously, it says here copy and replace. Yes, you're going to copy and replace all of them. You can mark here, copy and replace, and you can copy and replace all, or you can just do it one by one, but at the end you're gonna have to do them all. I'm not gonna do it in this system because this is not the hard drive that I fixed recently, but that's how you solve the problem. After you get that done, you're gonna unplug your hard drive and you're gonna take take it out of that computer or take it out of this adapter, and you're gonna plug it back into your computer, and then you're gonna see your windows come up normal. All right. Well, friends, thank you for coming over to my channel. I hope this worked out for you guys, and till the next time, God bless.